Hi everyone, I'll be doing a quick introduction to macromolecules, which is one of the first things you will be learning in high school bio. First of all, what is it? Well, it's a large molecule that has many covalently bonded atoms. You may hear that it's a polymerization of monomers. Now, a key to this topic is vocabulary. I personally was struggling with this topic when I learned it because I wasn't introduced to any of these big words. So hopefully after watching this video, you will be more prepared going into this topic. So continuing on, monomers are small molecules and they join together to form polymers, basically a bigger molecule. And polymerization is a process where the monomers become polymers. Now you'll see in this image over here how the monomers go through polymerization to form polymers. Now polymers can either be a three-dimensional shape or they can be a chain. There are four types of macromolecules: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Now, why are we learning this and why is it important? Well, all of these things have essential roles in the body, which help the body function. For example, nucleic acids are DNA and RNA. Now, there's a difference between nucleotide and nucleic acids. Nucleotide is the structure, which contains a nitrogen base, sugar, and phosphate groups. Think of them like monomers. So monomers are small molecules. They form together to form polymers, basically the nucleic acids. The function is to store and transfer genetic information and to help build proteins, which is another complex system. We have proteins, which are made up of amino acids linked together by peptide bonds. Again, vocabulary is super important. So, amino acids are organic compounds that form proteins, and peptide bonds are just another type of covalent bond with a different compound. So proteins are in the shape of polypeptides. As you see over here, they're basically a long chain of amino acids. Now, proteins have many functions. They can transfer information, they're good for defense, such as antibodies, and they can accelerate chemical reactions in the body, such as enzymes, which you will learn more about. Carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Now, they have different structural forms. So monosaccharides, mono meaning one, has one subunit. Disaccharides, di meaning two, has two subunits, and poly meaning many. Polysaccharides are just a long chain of polymers. Now, carbohydrates are used for energy storage. Lastly, lipids are nonpolar molecules, meaning that they're insoluble in water. There are three types: fats, phospholipids, and steroids. Now, fats are good for long-term energy storage. Phospholipids, as you see in the image over here, have a hydrophilic head, meaning that they like water, and hydrophobic tails, meaning that they don't like water. And why are these important? Well, they aid in the movement of vitamins and nutrients in the body by creating a cellular barrier. They basically create a bilayer like this that lets only certain molecules through, which is very important for the body. Lastly, steroids. An example of that is cholesterol. Too much of it is bad, a little bit is good. So these are just some quick facts and some basic vocabulary that you need to know for macromolecules. If you are interested in learning more, then please go to DeBacco University. Mr. DeBacco has great in-detail biology videos that will inform you